Well, we are at the Thiruvananthapuram International Airport, and this is where the flights are going to land. The first flight in Thiruvananthapuram Airport is going to land on 10th. And these are the mock drills that are happening to see whether the thermal scanning, which has been set up here, is working or not. This is one of the thermal scannings which has been brought to the airport here through the MP Shashi Tharoor's remaining MP lad funds. There's a similar thermal scanner which has also been installed in Kochi with the funds from MP Haiby Eden. Now you have what all can be seen in this thermal scanning if you're wearing a mask, if your body temperature rises. No contact is what they are aiming at. As people pass by, you can see that there's a demo happening of a lady who's holding hot water, and let's see whether that will reflect as the woman passes this thermal screening to see whether it reflects the increase in temperature or not. So lots of such measures in Kochi, in Thiruvananthapuram and other places. Health officials will be wearing PPE kits. Anyone in direct contact with the passengers. Here you have a red alert which has come in right now. It says the temperature measure is what is showing now as 101.6. So that's what this thermal scanner is meant to do, detect body temperature increase, whether you're wearing mask or not. But not just this, not just that, there are going to be help desks across, even as the flights are landing today in Kochi. There are going to be around 15 help desks with a doctor, a nurse and a field staff in each of those health desks. In fact, if you can see, seats here have been earmarked. So you have these pink strips which are blocking people from sitting side by side, and there's only one seat that is vacant across the airport. That's something that is visible. And these markings are for the passengers as they exit their flight. They will follow these yellow markings all through the airport. This is the scanner that you see here, the thermal scanning that you see here.
We have different protocols for each stage actually. So we have received a combined protocol yesterday night, and today we did a small mock drill on based on that protocol, how efficient we are in handling passengers when there is 200 passengers comes together. So as a part of that, we are also implemented the thermal image camera.
Is that the first check?
Already we have our own state. We have cases like medical workers, medical team who got posted in the Kochi airport got positively tested for COVID-19. So we don't want to have another situation like that. Because those are all very precious resources, we cannot afford to put them in a halt. So basically that's the reason why we implemented this thermal image camera, and also it's very speedy and very accurate also, because it takes temperature whole phase and detects it. So
masks also.
It gives you a lot of. It also records the photograph of each passenger, the temperature, whether they were wearing mask and all those things. This can give us a better picture of how our people are socially responsible towards this COVID-19 guidelines.
Right. With camera person SP Babu, Sneha Koshi for NDTV.